I drink a lot. It's genetic as well, and I take a good care of it.
In a video, Gadot shared that staying hydrated is a crucial part of her skincare routine, as drinking plenty of water helps keep her skin looking radiant and refreshed. When she's not filming, she opts for light makeup by mixing moisturizer with her foundation, which provides hydration and light coverage. Gal also swears by drinking freshly squeezed orange juice every day for its high vitamin C content, which boosts collagen production and protects her skin from aging. For makeup removal, she uses a warm, moist towel heated in the microwave to open her pores and cleanse her skin deeply. She sometimes adds essential oils for a spa-like experience. Gal's skincare philosophy also includes self-confidence. She feels most beautiful with no makeup on, emphasizing that true beauty comes from feeling good in your own skin. Her routine is simple, natural, and easy to follow for glowing, healthy skin. Gal Gadot's glowing skin is the result of a consistent skincare routine rooted in natural ingredients and DIY treatments. Her youthful, radiant look offers inspiration for anyone wanting to maintain healthy skin as they age. Gal's approach is proof that you don't need a cabinet full of expensive products to keep your skin looking fresh and youthful. Instead, she focuses on all-natural remedies and ingredients that can be easily integrated into your daily routine. One of the secrets to Gal's flawless complexion is her emphasis on hydration.
I always drink water and I always make sure I have water with me. I would say that I drink 8 to 10 to sometimes more cups a day.
It's no surprise that hydration is at the top of her skincare priorities. She drinks plenty of water to keep her skin plump and to flush out toxins. But she also incorporates hydrating ingredients into her daily skincare routine. One of her favorite DIY remedies is a cucumber and aloe vera mask. Cucumber is naturally rich in water and contains antioxidants that help reduce puffiness, while aloe vera provides deep hydration and soothes irritated skin. This mask is one of her go-to solutions to refresh and revive her skin, especially after long hours under harsh lighting or makeup. To recreate this mask at home, you'll need a few simple ingredients: 1 cucumber and a few tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. Simply blend the cucumber into a smooth paste, mix in the aloe vera, and apply it to clean skin. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. This mask can be used weekly or as needed to boost hydration and soothe the skin. The result? Skin that looks dewy, refreshed, and youthful, just like Gal's. Gal's love for natural skincare doesn't stop at face masks. Another of her secrets is her DIY exfoliating scrub, made with simple kitchen ingredients like sugar and honey. Exfoliation is key to maintaining smooth, glowing skin, especially as we age. Dead skin cells can build up over time, leaving skin looking dull and tired. By exfoliating regularly, you're removing those dead cells and allowing your skin to regenerate, giving it a brighter and more youthful appearance. Gal's favorite exfoliant combines sugar, which acts as a gentle scrub, with honey, a natural humectant that helps retain moisture. Honey also has antibacterial properties, making it a great choice for keeping the skin clear and healthy. To make this scrub, mix equal parts sugar and honey and apply it to damp skin using gentle, circular motions. Focus on areas where you tend to get dry patches or where your skin feels rough. After massaging the scrub in for a few minutes, rinse with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. You'll notice an immediate difference. Your skin will feel softer, smoother, and look more radiant. Another key aspect of Gal's routine is the use of natural oils to keep her skin moisturized. As we age, our skin tends to lose its natural oils, which can lead to dryness and the appearance of fine lines. To combat this, Gal turns to pure, organic oils like jojoba oil and argan oil. These oils are rich in essential fatty acids and antioxidants that help restore moisture and protects the skin from environmental damage. Jojoba oil is particularly beneficial because it mimics the skin's natural sebum, making it an excellent moisturizer that doesn't clog pores. Argan oil, on the other hand, is loaded with vitamin E and fatty acids, which helps improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. After cleansing her face, Gal applies a few drops of these oils to her skin, gently massaging them in to promote circulation and deeper absorption. In addition to these topical treatments, Gal's skincare routine is also influenced by her healthy lifestyle. She is a firm believer in the connection between diet, fitness, and skin health. A balanced diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats plays a crucial role in keeping her skin glowing. Gal focuses on eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which contribute to healthy, radiant skin from the inside out. Exercise is another essential part of her routine. Regular physical activity helps improve circulation, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to the skin, promoting cell renewal. Gal incorporates a variety of exercises into her routine, from strength training to yoga, which helps keep her skin firm and her body toned. Another essential part of Gal Gadot's skincare routine is protecting her skin from environmental damage, especially from the sun. As someone who spends a lot of time outdoors, Gal understands the importance of sun protection. She emphasizes the daily use of sunscreen to prevent sun damage, which is one of the leading causes of premature aging. Sunscreen helps protect the skin from harmful UV rays, which can lead to fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots over time. Gal prefers sunscreens with natural ingredients like zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which provide broad-spectrum protection without harsh chemicals. She also incorporates antioxidant-rich serums into her skincare routine to further shield her skin from environmental stressors like pollution and free radicals. Vitamin C is one of her favorite ingredients for brightening her complexion and reducing the appearance of dark spots. A daily vitamin C serum helps to even out skin tone and boosts collagen production, giving her skin that youthful, firm look. On days when Gal needs an extra glow, she turns to a simple yet effective DIY remedy, rose water. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to soothe irritated skin. Rose water acts as a natural toner, tightening the skin and providing a refreshing burst of hydration. After cleansing her face, Gal sprays a light mist of rose water over her skin to tone and prep it for the rest of her skincare routine. This quick and easy step helps her maintain a radiant complexion without the need for harsh chemicals. Gal also believes in giving her skin time to breathe. On days when she's not working, she lets her skin go makeup-free, allowing it to recover and regenerate. This is a key practice in her routine, as wearing makeup constantly can sometimes clog pores and prevent the skin from breathing. By taking a break from makeup, she allows her skin to rejuvenate naturally, reducing the risk of breakouts and irritation. Her makeup approach is equally minimal and skin-friendly. Gal opts for makeup products that are infused with skincare benefits, such as tinted moisturizers with SPF or foundations that contain hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid. This allows her to enhance her natural beauty while still nourishing and protecting her skin throughout the day. Even her makeup choices reflect her overall philosophy of simplicity and natural care. The final piece of Gal's skincare puzzle is her dedication to self-care and stress management. Stress can take a toll on the skin, leading to breakouts and dullness, which is why Gal incorporates mindfulness and relaxation into her daily routine. Whether it's through meditation, spending time with family, or taking long walks in nature, Gal makes sure to prioritize activities that help her unwind and maintain a sense of balance. This focus on mental well-being is just as important to her overall appearance as the skincare products she uses. Gal's skincare philosophy is all about balance, nourishing the skin with the natural, DIY treatments, protecting it from environmental damage, and allowing it to rest and regenerate when needed. Her approach serves as a reminder that taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By incorporating simple, natural remedies and being consistent with your routine, you can achieve the same radiant, youthful look that Gal is known for. That's the secret behind Gal Gadot's glowing skin. Simple, natural, and effective DIY treatments anyone can try. By using easy-to-find ingredients, staying consistent, and nourishing her skin from the inside out, she maintains a youthful, radiant look. If you enjoyed learning about Gal's routine, don't forget to subscribe for more celebrity skincare secrets. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share your thoughts in the comments. Tell us your favorite DIY skincare tips or what you loved most about Gal's routine. See you in the next video.